Welcome to this tutorial. Today we'll discuss left to right function composition in JavaScript, a technique for chaining functions where the result of one function is passed as input to the next in a clean and logical flow. Let's dive in and see how this works. Here, the goal is to pass data through a series of functions sequentially. Each function modifies the data before passing it to the next, making the overall logic clear and reusable. The compose right function uses reduce to combine functions. The first function processes the initial arguments, and each subsequent function operates on the results of the previous one, flowing left to right. The process begins with the first function, whose output is passed to the next function in the chain. This sequential execution ensures a clean and logical data transformation pipeline. In this example, the add function processes the inputs 1 and 2, resulting in 3. The result is then passed to the square function, which computes 9. Similarly, you can handle other inputs dynamically. Left to right composition is especially useful in scenarios where data flows through a pipeline. For instance, in web frameworks like Express.js, middleware function processes requests sequentially, or in ETL workflows. Data transformations are applied in steps. To summarize, left to right function composition simplifies the process of chaining functions and ensures logical and modular data processing. It is an essential tool in modern JavaScript development. Thank you for following along. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.